Hi everyone, in today's video I will be sharing a quick and easy 5-day 4-night itinerary for your trip to Danang. So getting around Danang is pretty convenient as most places can be reached using Grab. However, for certain spots like Sontra Peninsula and My Sun Sanctuary, I recommend you to hire a private hire either through Klook or you can book through your Grab driver. So for day 1, we can start our trip with a marble mountain, which take around 2 to 3 hours to explore. So there are cave, pagoda and stunning viewpoint. So definitely wear a hiking shoe. So later you can also check out Lovelock Bridge if you are going as a couple. So on day 2, we'll be visiting Danang Hill. So for Danang Hill, it is a mountain top theme park. You will take the cable car up. So it's famous for its golden bridge, but most of the activity there will be theme park kind of activities such as thrill rides, car and stuff. Yeah. So another tip, you can get a combo ticket that includes the lunch buffet. It is cheaper this way as food inside is very expensive. So if you get the buffet combo ticket, you have a better time in there and it's more cost efficient. So after that, you can head to the Dragon Bridge for the night show. So we usually perform at 9 p.m. on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So the Songtra night market is just one street across the Dragon Bridge. So you can either go before or after the performance. So on day 3 is more of nature. You can go to explore Sontra Peninsula. It is quite huge and filled with multiple scenic spots like the pagoda, monkey mountain and other stuff. I recommend you to hire a private driver for that day. Yep. So afterward, if you still have time, you can go to My Beach to enjoy the beach. So on day 4, we can visit the My Sun Sanctuary. It is a World Heritage Site. So it will take around half a day. Then for the remaining half of the day after afternoon, you can make your way to the Hoi An Ancient Town. So you can enjoy the Hoi An Ancient Town for the rest of the day and come back at night. So I also highly recommend you to use a private hire. So lastly, on day 5 is a chill day. So you can take it easy and join a Vietnamese cooking class, and we can also buy souvenirs. So yep, that's the 5-day and 4-night Danang itinerary that I made, and I went early this year. So highly recommend you to follow this if you're on a quick, chill and easy trip. Thank you.